together, baby. You can make my life worthwhile. I can make you start to smile. Hello, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at To Be With You by Mr. Big. We'll not do it in the original key because that way I think it fits the ukulele way better. The chord sounds better, and also I think they're easier. This is a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's play this one. So we start with the chord of D minor. Then to F, you just remove the ring finger. And here's the interesting chord, B flat suspended 2. So you bar with the pointing finger on the first fret, the A and E string. The C string is open. And with the ring finger, you reach right here to grab on the third fret of the G string. Alright? That chord is kind of making the song, if you ask me. So the first part, the verse, is this. D minor to F to B flat suspended 2 to F, right? Hold on, little girl, show me what he's done to you. Stand up, little girl, a broken heart can't be that bad. And here we go to the pre-chorus, where we repeat B flat suspended 2 to F. And one more time, B flat suspended 2 to F. And then we have E flat for 2 bars, and then C for 2 bars, right? And this is, when it's true, fate will twist the both of you. So come on, baby, come on over, let me be the one to show you. And we go to the chorus, which is F. I'm the one who, B flat suspended 2, wants to C to F. And here the F is coming a little bit earlier, so if you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, right? This F is a little bit earlier. Also in the first chorus we're just repeating this, but after that on the second one, actually the third time that you repeat it, we go through D minor. So it sounds like, I'm the one who wants to be with you. Okay, to F one more time. Deep inside, I hope you feel it too. But now it's to D minor. Waiting on the line, waiting on the line. Right? This is kind of a cool touch here because it's kind of unexpected and throws the harmony in a different direction. And then the last time we repeat it with the F at the end. Just to be the next to be with you. Alright, after that we have another verse, another chorus, and then we go to the bridge, which starts with B flat suspended 2. Why be alone? To D minor. We can be together, baby. And here we have a new chord, alright? Introducing the A flat. You can grab it like this, or you can grab it like a G chord and move everything one fret up and avoid the G string, right? Whichever is easier for you. If the bar chords are kind of tricky for you, just grab it like this, like a G, and slide it one fret higher and avoid the G string. Alright, and this is, you can make my life worthwhile, I can make you start to smile. And here after the bridge we have this little instrumental part holding the chord progression of the chorus. And also with the D minor on the third time. I lost here. you. And then after the solo, we have another pre-chorus. When it's true, it's true. Fate will twist the both of you. So come on, baby, come on over. Let me be the one to hold you. And here we have the modulation, right? So it's really interesting here how the song modulates and then it gets back to the original key. So we start with A flat, then to D flat, to E flat, which we already have, back to A flat, right? I'm the one who wants to be with you. Again, the last chord is coming a little bit earlier, right? You'll feel it too. Waiting on the line, I'm waiting on the line. We go through F minor instead of the D minor in the other key. So basically we're moving everything 3/2 steps higher, right? All the chords. But we're not doing the suspended 2 chord because it makes it a little bit tricky and I don't think it's that necessary for this little part of the song. And after you do this modulation once, you do the chords one more time, but in the original key. So let's glue this together. When it's true, it's true. Fate will twist the both of you. So come on, baby, come on over. Let me be the one to show. I'm the one who wants to be with you. Deep inside, I hope you'll feel it too. Waiting on the line, I'm waiting on the line. Yeah, just to be the next to be with you. Getting back to the original. I'm the one who wants, I'm the one. Deep inside, I hope you'll feel it too. Waiting on the line, I'm to D minor. Waiting on the line, just to be the next to be with you. And here for the outro, you can just repeat this one more time. Just to be the next to be with you. And even finish it like with this little bit higher F, if you liked. Okay, so this sums up my tutorial for To Be With You by Mr. Big. Get it in your list, play it somewhere, enjoy the moment, feel free. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel and you'll see more videos like this one pretty soon. Goodbye.